Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV, baby. I am your host with the most, baby. I am the motivator. I am the educator, baby. I am the options trader, baby. I am the money coach. All right, here we go. Today's video is all about one of my babies, Ebon, baby. Okay, Ebang International, baby. Okay, Ebon. I love that baby. Okay, that baby that made me some things. Okay, I like stocks that I have traded before, and I see how they react, and I trade them again. You don't have to go to find 80,000 different new stocks sometimes. Even though I got to tell myself that same thing, but I be doing a whole lot of things. But with Ebon, okay, EBON, ticker symbol, I have placed a couple of calls on that, and it's done me nice. Following the Bitcoin. This is a Bitcoin stock right here, okay, baby? So this is a Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit that 58. 57, I believe, somewhere. I believe it hit 58, but let's go hit the 58 and ride on up, probably even more, okay? And look at all of those Bitcoin stocks that's following right behind it, making new highs, baby. Look at CAN, doing numbers today, baby, okay? Hitting the 52-week high, passing that. Look at Riot today, baby. Riot, doing this thing, okay? All them Bitcoins, okay? Stocks, not all of them, some of them now, okay? Some of them doing their things, okay? So I like my baby EBON. To me, it was like a little slow dragger, okay? It was a slow lagger, and that made it better for me because I seen all the other Bitcoin stocks moving up. So I'm like, okay, you ain't gonna pimp me, I'm gonna pimp myself, baby, okay? So I went pimping that guy and put me some calls, okay? Bam, up in there. Next thing you know, I called it at what? Right at $6. Now it's at $8. Okay, 8 and some change. It was like 8.26, 8.30 something. Last time I checked it, after hours, baby, okay? So best believe with the stimulus check, Bitcoin making new highs, hey, it's going to go even farther. I believe, now last time I said it's supposed to hit the $15 mark, and that thing tanked on me. Right when I thought I was supposed to hit the $15 mark, that thing tanked on me, okay, baby? So I'm going again for the $15 mark. Ain't no stopping me, baby. That's still one of them same call options from that last video, okay, baby? So check the last video out, my EBON call options. I still got one of those call options, and I added some more to decrease my average, you know what I'm saying, my cost average. I'm in the game, baby, okay? So let's check out the EBON to the charts, baby, okay? Take them to the charts, baby. Hit them with the chart. All right, let's get into my EBON call, baby. Okay, expiring next week. Got a $12.50 EBON call, baby. It went up 19% today. Okay, so it's looking good. Bitcoin is hit 58. It's gonna probably go past 58, right? Make a new all-time high. So my play is looking good for this EBON. Okay, started off rough, you know what I'm saying? $27. It went all the way down to the low of $21, baby. Okay, and now it's up at the 37s. Okay. And now let's check on the stock, baby. After hours, that thing E-bong, baby. E-bang. What? He banging, okay? Up 8% after hours. Still going, okay? So it's moving nice and strong. So my car should be looking pretty good. See how E-bang, E-bong do tomorrow, baby. All right? Okay, now that you see my call options, you probably see some more around here somewhere. Okay, that's my plan, and that's what I got going on with the EBON. Hopefully it goes to the moon for me, which would be my $15 price range, price target, pretty much. It's a high target, but it's, you got to reach for the stars, baby. So hopefully Ebon will hit that $15 by next week. Well, I'm stretching it far, baby, okay? You got to go far. Go big, go home, baby. But be blessed to invest in yourself and get that knowledge as much as you can. Stay safe, live, love life, be happy, be blessed to invest in yourself. All right. Stimulus checks. Oh, stimulus checks. Stimulus checks. Oh, yeah. Stimulus.